Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Yay! So in today's video I have decided to do the bubble nails. Yes, I'm doing the bubble nails today, and these are the products that I will be using just in case you guys wanted to know what I was using. Okay, so I have already prepped my nails and I am applying my Fantasy Nails primer and dehydrator. And I'm going to be applying this beautiful intense pink acrylic color. And I'm going to apply that to all of my nails. And I'm using a number 8 Kolinsky brush, just in case anybody was wondering. And once I have applied this intense pink to all of my nails, I'm going to file shape and buff them. Okay, now I am applying this beautiful Barbie pink from Madame Glam, and OMG, y'all tell me this is not Barbie pink. This is Barbie pink right here. I love it. And so right here, I'm just going to apply to half of my nail. The ring finger, I'm not going to apply any gel polish to that one. And once I've applied this, I'm going to cure it for 60 seconds in my UV LED lamp. And then I'm going to apply a second coat and cure that as well for 60 seconds. After I've done that, I'm going to apply my Madame Glam No Wipe Gel Top Coat to all the nails. And I'm only going to apply it to half of the nail here, so I don't want the whole nail covered in the magic rose. And so I'm going to apply it and I'm going to cure them for 60 seconds. And after I've done that, I'm going to apply this beautiful magic rose. Look at that, y'all. Oh, it's so beautiful. So I'm just using this eyeshadow applicator here to apply it to the nails. And look at it. Oh, it's giving off this shimmer, y'all. It's like the camera's not really picking it up, but I mean, oh, I love it. Oh yeah, by the way, today I am doing my left hand and I'm right-handed, so the struggle is real, but I'm getting it done for you guys. Okay, so right here I'm applying my Madame Glam No Wipe Top Coat, and I'm going to apply it to the whole nail. And then the next nail, I'm only going to apply it to the tip. And like I said, the ring finger, I'm not going to apply any to. And the pinky, I'm going to do the whole nail. Once I've applied it, I'm going to get my soap and water, and what you see, I got the bubbles, and I just use soap, my Ajax dish soap to be exact. And so I'm just taking the bubbles and I'm applying it over top of the nails. So once I've applied that no wipe top coat, I did not cure it. So I'm applying the bubbles before I cure the no wipe top coat. All right. So once I get them on there, I swear, I'm going to put it in my LED UV lamp here for 60 seconds. Here they go. And I'm just going to wipe off the bubbles. And check out the effect, y'all. Look at that. Oh my goodness, I love it. I really do love this effect. It's beautiful. It reminds me of snake skin or like some type of leather. It's beautiful. Okay, so right here with my ring finger, I am applying some clear gel. And I'm going to create a unicorn effect by taking the clear gel, and I'm just making little thin lines going up the nail. And I'm just making sure that they don't touch though, because you might want to cure in between in case it starts to run together. So you might want to flash cure it while you're doing it. But yep, that's what I'm doing. I'm doing a little unicorn nail. Okay, so once I've done this, I'm going to place it in my lamp for 60 seconds. Then I'm going to take my gel no wipe top coat, and I'm just going to apply a very thin coat. Once I've done that, I'm going to place it in my lamp and cure it for an additional 60 seconds. Well, I hope you all enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching and your support. If you're not subscribed, please consider doing so and hit the notification bell. And here it is, the final result.